Alright, here we have some more inequality word problems. So we're given a situation, we need to read it, and then we need to figure out which inequality matches the situation. So Kevin and Noah are hungry and want to eat at the food court in the mall. A slice of pizza costs $3.75. So I'm going to highlight that. Slice of pizza, $3.75. That seems like it's going to be important. And a drink costs $1.50. Again, let's highlight that. Also important. Alright, which of the inequalities below can be used to determine the number of slices of pizza that the boys can buy if together they have $20 and they each get one drink? So, a lot going on here. Let's break it down. We want to determine the number of slices of pizza that they can get. So the number of slices of pizza here, that's our variable. So I'm going to say that that is x. So if we go back through our reading, a slice of pizza costs $3.75. We want to figure out the number of pieces of pizza they can get. So it's going to be $3.75x. $3.75 per piece of pizza, where x represents the number of slices of pizza. So you can even write that out. Let x equal the number of slices of pizza. So this is called defining our variable. So now we've defined our variable, and we've written this expression right here. We know this is going to be somewhere in our answer. 3.75x. This tells you we get $3.75 per slice of pizza, because x represents the number of slices of pizza. Alright, then it says that they each want to get one drink. So we need to go back and look. Kevin and Noah are hungry. If they each get one drink, there are two of them. So we have two boys, and they're each getting one drink. The drink costs $1.50. So two people getting a drink times $1.50 per drink. This expression represents that part of the word problem. So we know our answer needs to have a 3.75x in it, and it needs to take 2 and multiply it by that $1.50. So let's go through and cross off options that we know are not the solution now. A has a 3.75x and a 2 times 1.50, so that could be it. C also has both of the expressions, or both of the terms here that we wrote up here. B, not the answer, doesn't have what we need. And D, also not the answer, does not have what we need. Alright, so now we need to figure out which inequality symbol we need to pick. So together they have $20. That is all they have. They do not have more than $20. They have $20. So whatever they buy needs to come out to be $20, or it needs to be less than $20. If it's $20.01, they cannot afford it. They do not have anything more than $20. They only have $20. So then you're going to read that. You're going to say, oh, it can't be letter A. The cost of what they buy can't be greater than or equal to 20 because they don't have more than $20. For letter C, this one's correct because look, it's saying, okay, if it's $3.75 per piece of pizza, plus they want 2 drinks, and each drink is $1.50, however much money this is needs to be less than or equal to 20 because they only have $20. So C here is our correct answer. Alright, number 2. The Castillo family budgeted $2,500 for their vacation. Their budget consists of $800 for travel costs and $75 per day for other expenses. Which inequality represents the number of days, X, the family could have stayed on vacation? So here, look, they already defined the variable for you here. The number of days is X. So I'm going to highlight that because they defined the variable and they're telling us what the variable is. Now I'm going to go back up to the reading. They budgeted $2,500. So this is the total amount of money that they have available. They do not have any more money than this. They have $2,500. So their whole vacation total needs to cost $2,500 or less. Their budget consisted of $800 for travel cost. So that $800 is a constant. They are paying $800 to travel. Constant. Does not depend on the number of days or the number of hours or anything like that. They're just flat out paying $800 to go on this trip. Then they have $75 per day in the budget. Well, the problem told us that the number of days is represented by the variable x. So to represent $75 per day, we're going to represent that as 75x. $75 times the number of days. So again, just like we did before, we know the correct answer to this problem needs to have a 75x to represent $75 per day, and it needs to have an 800 to represent that they are paying $800 to go on vacation no matter how many days they go for. So, can't be letter A, that has an 800x. It's not $800 a day. Can't be letter B. C and D are possibilities. Now we need to look. The inequality symbol is the same on both C and D, so we need to look at like the left-hand side of the inequality symbol. Letter C is saying, hey, to go on vacation, it's going to cost this family $800 plus $75 a day. Letter D is saying, hey, to go on the vacation, it's going to cost this family $800 minus $75 a day. Well, this doesn't make sense. They're paying $75 a day to go on vacation, so why would you be subtracting that from the 800? So that one does not make sense in the context of the problem, and we get that the correct answer here is C.